Today we are going to make windsocks. Windsocks show us how strong and in what direction the wind is blowing. We can't see wind with our eyes, so windsocks help us see it. So the first thing we're going to need is a piece of paper. If you have one of the bigger pieces of paper I sent home, use that. In class I will provide the paper, but first thing we're going to do is decorate our paper. I'm going to do this by making a series of diagonal lines. We've talked about vertical and horizontal lines before, going straight across or up and down, but diagonal lines go up at an angle. So I'm going to make a lot of diagonal lines. If you have other ideas, I'm okay with that. You can decorate the outside of your windsock however you would like. If you don't, maybe you try some diagonal lines that cross like I did. Now our windsocks are going to have streamers, so my next step is to get some different paper and start cutting different streamers. I will probably have this done if you are working on these in class with me. But the next step is to get streamers. If you have a separate piece of paper, maybe it'd be fun to do it in a different color. You can cut long strips of paper, and those will be the streamers for our windsocks. Once I have my streamers done and my outside of my windsock is decorated, I'm going to use a glue stick and I'm going to put it on the side of my piece of paper. Just going to make sure there's a lot of glue down there. You could also use staples, if you're tape maybe even. But I'm using a glue stick, and that's what we use in class. I also sent glue sticks home. And we are going to bring it together so it makes a tube like this. So after we have glued together or attached our windsock outside to be a tube, we're going to start to glue on our streamers. So I'm just going to add a little bit of glue and attach it to the inside of my windsock. I'm also going to take some more of my streamers and attach them to the front of my windsock for a place to hold on to. You could also do that part with string. But this is what your windsock is going to look like when you're done. And now that it is done, it might be fun to go out by a fan or go outside and try it.